Very good morning, children.
Very good morning, children. I am very happy to see you all. Do you know what is yoga? Now, ma'am will tell you. Yoga is traditional Indian culture. There are 84 lakhs yogasanas. We will learn the asanas which will keep us mentally and physically healthy. In yoga, there are many yogic exercises like asanas, pranayamam, sun salutation, kriyas, mudras, many more. We will learn one by one gradually. In every class, at the end of the session, I will give a healthy tip. I will give a healthy tip. So regularly you follow the tip and keep yourself healthy. Children, warm-up is very important. Without warm-up, if we do yogic practice, we will have a minor injury, muscle pain. There are certain rules to be followed before we do yoga. First one is yoga mat is mandatory. Second one is should be good air circulation, open the window, avoid using fan and AC, and yoga dress is must. Now we can see the benefits of warm-up. Warm-up also prepare yourself muscles to stretch during yoga. Proper warm-up increases flexibility and blood circulation and oxygen also overall your body. Let us see how to do warm-up. Before that, we will start with prayer song. Everybody join your hands. Keep Vajrasanam. Vajrasanam position is I am explained later classes. Join your hands. Gently close your eyes. Shoulder, spine should be straight. Your back erect. That is very important. Asatoma sadgamaya tamasoma jyotirgamaya mrityoma amirdam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently open your eyes. Spread your hands.
Today warm-up is standing position. We will do head movement and hand movements. Keep your part gap should be half feet. Keep your hands on the hip like this.
First one, front to back. Slowly you do, children. Each step, turn counting. Slowly, front, back. Chin should be touch the chest. Second one is left to right. One. You go to see your shoulder level. 2. Slowly. 3. Come front. Slowly left. Come front. Slowly right. 5 countings or 10 counting. After that, side bending. Slowly come front, left side, come front, right side,
Each side 10 countings. Now I finish 5 countings only. You continue 10 to 20 time. 3. Fourth one is head rotation. Slowly you covered right side, back side, left side and front. This is the one round. Like this you do 20 counting. Now I stop the 5 countings only. 2. You do slowly. 3. 4. You concentrate. 5. 5th one is hand movement. You keep like this. This position you have to breathe. Breathe out. Stretch your hand. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. 6th one is breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhalation, exhalation. Inhalation, exhalation. Next one, breathe in, breathe out. Front stretch. 3. Breathe in, breathe out. Next one, shoulder rotation without inhalation and exhalation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction, 10 counting. Okay children, you do in your home 10 rounds. This is the one round I finished. You do 10 rounds, daily 10 rounds. Each 10 exercise. Okay. Today's health tip is don't sit in one place and watch TV or cell phone for more than half an hour. Don't watch, which will affect your health. Please children, follow these tips. Every day morning and evening, regularly do yoga exercise. It is very important. Okay children, the next class I will meet you in an interesting warm-up session. Have a great day.